here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, the season's second heat wave on the way. Of course, the first one was a 4-day heat wave back in late June. This one is at least 3. It has to be at least 3 to be a heat wave because by definition you need 3 consecutive days of 90 or higher. Of course, we made it to 91 this afternoon. Now, the official state records are actually kept at the airport in Warwick, and more than likely that station both tomorrow and Wednesday should reach at least 90. So a 3-day heat wave ahead. You got 2 more hot days. Looking at the fog developing already along the south shore, lower part of Narragansett Bay. Of course, that humidity, you certainly feel it during the afternoon, though you don't necessarily see it. But at nighttime, as the air cools a little bit, that humidity condenses and you start to see it more visible. And of course, that is in the form of low clouds and some fog. And that'll spill over into early tomorrow morning and then burn off rapidly. It is a very warm night. Temperatures well into the 70s, 77 in Providence, upper 70s, almost 80 still Taunton, as well as New Bedford. But with the humidity levels so high, these numbers actually feel more like the lower 80s. So the average high for this time of year is about 83, and we're in the 90s both tomorrow and Wednesday, and then temperatures more seasonable Thursday and Friday. And while it does warm up over the weekend, I mean, nothing too unusual for the middle of July. Of course, we talk about the humidity, and that is the big factor. We measure the dew point, which is continues to be elevated both tomorrow and again on Wednesday, and then a drop in the humidity Thursday, Friday, and then on into the weekend. So we start to see more relief starting actually Thursday afternoon. So a couple of more hot days ahead. In the meantime, it's quiet across New England outside of a little bit of patchy fog, tracking showers and some thunderstorms in the Hudson Valley of New York. I do expect these to fizzle out as they approach during the overnight hours. So really not anticipating any widespread rain or thunder late at night. Here's the wider view, the entire northeastern U.S. under the hot and the humid conditions. We're tracking this blue line across the upper Great Lakes. It is a cold front which will come through Wednesday evening, Wednesday night. And this is the breaker as far as knocking down the heat and the humidity as it comes through Wednesday night. Some showers and some thunderstorms, perhaps some heavy downpours behind this front. The air does cool off, but we really don't notice that until actually Thursday afternoon. So we take a look at 2 temperature forecasts for tomorrow. This is the actual air temperature. No heat index, no feel like temperature. 90 to 94 degrees tomorrow afternoon across many areas. Get closer to the coastline, middle to upper 80s. Toss in that humidity. Of course, it feels hotter. That is the heat index, and that is actually running, especially the areas in purple inland, running in the low 100s. That's dangerous heat as far as feel like temps. So that's why the heat advisory has been extended into tomorrow afternoon and then again on Wednesday. You know, one way your body cools itself off is that the perspiration on your skin will evaporate, and that cools your body. But when the humidity is so high, that perspiration on your body, your skin doesn't evaporate. Our bodies feel hotter, and the net result is these feel like temperatures, which are running in the low 100s both Tuesday into Wednesday, and then we get things back to normal, back to feeling more like mid-July, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, with temperatures essentially in the middle 80s. So for tomorrow morning, any early morning clouds and fog lifting to hazy sunshine, rapid warm up by 11 a.m. It's at 87, and then topping out between 90 and 94 degrees at hazy sunshine tomorrow afternoon. The beaches will be in the 80s. All right, 7-day forecast. Boaters, be mindful of a southwest wind, kind of gusty, 15 to 20 knots with poor visibility early in the morning, but that fog should lift by mid to late morning. Another hot and humid day on Wednesday. I'm favoring these thunderstorms on Wednesday either near or just after sunset, especially Wednesday night. They do spill over into early Thursday morning, though it clears Thursday afternoon. The humidity drops, the temperature not bad. Friday looks A+, and right now the weekend not bad, both Saturday and Sunday. The St. Mary's Feast down in Niceville and Cranston starts mid to late this week, and the weather for the most part looking good. They have a great fireworks display on Sunday. So far, so good on the weekend forecast.
That's your favorite night, isn't it?
I do it. It's just, it's calamari, meatball sandwiches.
Wait, but whoever's cooking those sausages and peppers is going to be boiling.
Yeah, but otherwise, a rain-free weekend.
All right, Tony, thanks. And of course, Tony and the Pinpoint Weather Team are getting you ready for the next edition of Beyond the Forecast. This one will be on tornadoes in southern New England.
They'll be answering your questions, and you can submit them right now on WPRI.com. We'll be taking those questions until Wednesday. Coming up next.